Hello. Pause for a moment and let yourself drop out of your thoughts and into your body. You are here because your system is calling for a recalibration, a return to your natural sovereign state. Settle into your seat or lying position. Let your shoulders soften and release any grip you have on your day. We are creating a bridge between your physical form and your higher energetic potential. Release the need to understand or analyze. Your only task is to listen and receive. This transmission is tailored to dissolve resistance and restore the flow of your internal divine intelligence. Take a slow, deep breath, expanding your chest. And exhale fully, letting it all go. I am here as your conduit. Simply listen and begin. Pitaka kereka karanaka kesha, karateka o, eretataka karanaka kera ko, ereta tora tesho, karatesho eroka maka, karamaka ereka. Erekataka kasho, ereto tatara karaka me, eretatara karo, karuka eroka ko, etora no shakereka, kareka oretata ereka masho, karatera ereto tara kesha, karatesha ereta to karato, karato erota ta kar eresha, karatara noka erota tasho eratara kasho karatera eshoka, korata ere, karareka ereta tora ka eroka kesho keta, karateka ko erota ta kesho, kesho matara, ereta tara kareka eshoka ko, karota tera, erota tera, ereka ko eshoka renaka, kereta tara, ereta tara oroka, karareka tesha erena nata ke, kereko orataka keretora rega so, siso erota to ka, kareto tora ereto tora karatesho oratara, karatesho oratara kineka kosa, ereka kosa karatasho etara to katosha karanasho erako, ereta tasho karanasho ereka, karareka matara etoka kasho, karanaka so ereta to ekaso reka kora, karatoka kereka oma tatara ereta tara kasho karanata tosho eroka kesho karatara ereka ma tareka so, sasoka kesho ereka ka, karatera oraka kosha kasha esho totora erata tora karaneka esho kaka, kasheko kera eritasho orata tera, karatera mato kasho ereto tara kasho karanaka se erotate keraka esho kataka, karaneka ora tara eretaka kora, karakora kesho oreta to eta tosha kerenaka ereto toka ke, ereka kora, karateka kora, eshoka kora katasho ma, ereta tara kosha kora tateka, ereta tora kushoka ke ereta toka ema, Imana naka kesho, mana naka kesho, mana naka kesho. Iretoko iraka kesho, irataka ke oka ke. Karaneka shomata. Erekokara kasho, karatasho, erekako tatera kitaka oshuma. Ishoka kera daura, ereta kora eshokama karata, erekokora tashoka eretodo. Eretodora taka kereneka ishora tasho arata tera ike. Ereko kora karateko kosha. Esheko ma eretatora de. Eretodora de karaka kesho. Eretado karaka eshoka. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing your presence back to your surroundings. Feel the stability you have cultivated within your own field. Take a moment to simply breathe into this new, clearer space. The energy has shifted, and your body is now vibrating at this new, higher frequency. Honor the stillness. Keep this center point accessible. No matter what the day brings, you remain the sovereign architect of your own energetic state. Thank you for being part of this collective frequency. If you are ready for a personalized deep dive activation, please visit JeanetteGibson.com or email me directly for a session. Stay in your light.